What's going on, boaters? Behind me is a 2027 Premier 230 Sunsation, and the color on here is by far my favorite from Premier. You have the Nautical Blue with your white, you have your white rails, then you are going to have your power bimini with your blue canvas to match it. You have your ricochet ladder here in the back, your white ski tow bar, and it is powered by a Mercury 200 V6. As we come aboard, we have your rear lounger couch in the back, so you can change it into multiple different positions if you want to be facing backwards, or move this up and we can be facing forwards. And you have your safety stanchions back here, so when the boat is going, you can legally sit back here. You also are going to have your gate here as well. It does have the pop-up table, so you can put out your snacks and drinks super easy. And you're going to also have your table up front, but you can also stow that one, giving you a little bit more extra room. Lots of in-seat storage here. Super easy to get at, to put your towels, your bags in there. You're going to want to come check out this boat at MarineMax Nisswa, or visit it on our website at marinemax.com. Let's get you out on the pontoon yet this summer.